This video will introduce you to PaveSaver Plus, DS Brown's new generation polymeric concrete patch. A perfect combination of strength and flexibility makes PaveSaver Plus an excellent long-term patching solution for spall repairs and joint headers in bridges, airports, and highways. PaveSaver Plus has a high load-bearing capacity, allowing it to handle anything from a 747 aircraft to heavy trucks. Its anti-spalling properties make PaveSaver Plus a long-term solution for high-performance pavement repairs. PaveSaver Plus has an extremely high compressive strength and the necessary flexibility to make it a long-lasting solution in any climate. And PaveSaver Plus is easy to install and cures quickly, which minimizes downtime. Now let's talk about the easy installation process. First, you'll need a standard mixing paddle, a heavy-duty drill, a clean and dry 10-gallon mixing bucket, a spatula, some scrapers and trowels, duct tape, and formwork for maintaining proper joint openings. If you have a bigger job, a DS Brown approved mortar mixer can also be used. To prepare the area, saw cut, chip, or mill the area down to sound concrete. If joints are present, DS Brown recommends to either block out the joint or re-saw cut the joint after the material has reached its full cure. Tape the edges around the repair area. Make sure to have squared corners and a minimum 2 inches of depth. The pavement should be clean and dry with a minimum temperature of at least 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, pre-measured amounts of Part A and Part B liquids go into the bucket. Scrape as much of the liquid as possible from the cans to ensure a proper mix. Start the mixer at the bottom of the bucket, and to assure the proper consistency, mix at a low speed, around 300 RPM, for about 3 minutes. Slowly add the aggregate, component C, to the bucket. Then mix thoroughly to ensure the aggregate is fully wetted. 2 55-pound bags of aggregate are included in each 1 cubic foot PaveSaver unit. Immediately place the elastomeric concrete into the area to be repaired. Make sure to compact the material to ensure a solid repair, and then trowel the surface for a textured finish that is level with the surrounding pavement. If you are responsible for repairing spalls on airport pavements, bridge decks, or expansion joint headers on highways, PaveSaver Plus is a strong, long-lasting solution. If you have questions about PaveSaver Plus, visit the DS Brown website. From there, you can directly contact a DS Brown sales representative in your area. You'll also find complete product information and installation instructions. That's at dsbrown.com.